In this video, we will show you how to replace your keyless remote insert and case on this Chevy Tahoe. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Let's start taking apart the original case. For this, it can easily be done using a flat blade screwdriver. We'll come right inside this slot and gently pry it apart. Once you've done that, you can continue pulling it apart, and we'll pay attention to the internals. Go ahead and take hold of that. We'll lift it up and out of there. Have a look at the back side. If you are going to replace the battery, now is the time to do it, and there's the number, CR2032. Now in your kit, you'll find that it came with two different rear covers. We'll find the one that matches up perfectly. We can install those internals. Rest it down in there. And now we can take that brand new cover and put it in position. Press it in, listen for a click all the way around. We'll follow that crack just to make sure it's completely secured. After that, go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.